Hello guys, good day. It's Coach Grace again. So in our today's class, we'll be talking about Wallink, how to create your WhatsApp link, which is your WhatsApp business link. So we'll be using their website today. We'll go to our browser. You click on it and you write wa.link.com link. Sorry. This link is a platform that used to create WhatsApp links. It's used for digital marketers, affiliate marketers, business owner, customer support agents, and affiliates who wants to connect to their audience more easily via WhatsApp. So you see, why create a WhatsApp link? To open a WhatsApp chat, you need to know the user phone number to save it. So let's do one. Let's try it. I will use my number to create a WhatsApp link. See, emoji. What is the custom message where I use? I'll just write then put your name. So let's see. Let's you see, hello Grace. I'm interested in digital marketing. My name is now generate it. It's very easy. Copy and share it anywhere you want to. So you can see it has a premium plan which is $6 a year, but though we use the free one. So copy link or download QR. Download it. So that is it with that. So when someone clicks on that link, what's your custom message you input there will appear in the person chat box. So as I put my own is hello Coach Grace, I'm interested in affiliate marketing, my name is, you input his own name, then you send it to me. And this website is popular worldwide. It's easy to use, it's free, it's mobile friendly, which is it works on your phone, your tablet, your any, as far as mobile it works, and it's comparable. Like I want to join your training, and it's, most people that usually use it are business owners. So that is all for now. See you in our next class. Bye bye.